What do we have here? It's a waffle maker! Cool! Let's make some waffles together. First, we'll need some ingredients. Let's see what's in our refrigerator. We'll need 4 eggs. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll mix our ingredients in our mixer to make our batter. Here's our green egg. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Our batter is all done. Let's use our waffle machine. Let's pour our batter in. And turn it on. Let's count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. And we're done. Our waffles look so yummy. Let's bring it to our plate. Our plate is all set up. Let's use our spatula to put our waffle on our plate. But wait, we can't eat yet. Let's pour some syrup. Do you guys like butter on your waffles? Let's cut some butter to top our waffles. What other toppings do we have? Here's some chocolate chips. Let's see what's in our green cup. It's strawberries. Wow, our waffles look so yummy.
Funnest toys.
What do you guys think we can make with these pieces? Let's put them together and find out. Cool! It's a pizza. Now we need toppings. Let's see what's in our yellow egg. It's pepperoni. Let's see what's in our green egg. It's onions. Now our orange egg. Dried tomatoes. Let's see what's in our pink egg. It's pineapple. Let's see what's in our blue egg. It's black olives. Now our last egg, our purple egg. It's yummy broccoli. Awesome! Look at our yummy pizza. Now let's cut it. Now we'll put our pizza in the oven. Nice and warm. Yummy.
Funnest toys.